Hi friends, welcome to learning English vocabulary once again. We are here with lesson number 8, new words and new meanings. Let's start our new lesson. These words are also very useful, very interesting for you. In this video, words are starting with letter A. Let's have a look on the words. The first word is adulation, mean flattery. Next mean is great praise, तारीफ. Next word is adult, mean grown up, mature, बालिग. Next word is advance, mean put forward or further, पेशगी, आगे करना. Advantage, mean better position, profit, फायदा, मौका पाना. Adventure, mean unexpected experience, unusual, मुहिम, joy. Affable, mean easy to speak to, खुश इखलाक. Affiance, mean promise to marry, call, वादा. Affidavit, mean written statement, हल्फनामा. Affinity, mean relationship, ताल्लुक होना. Affirm, mean declare, ऐलान करना. The next word is afflict, mean give pain, दुख देना. Adverb, mean a word added to a verb or degree and manner, मुतल्लिक फेल. Adverse, mean not in favor of, harmful, unfavorable, मुखालिफ. Advert, mean to remark, comment, refer, इश्तिहार. Advocate, means senior lawyer, वकील. There are some words which are not very difficult, but we don't know their exact meanings. Sometimes we have to write in exams synonyms, meanings, exact meanings in English. So in this video you can take help. If you like the video, please share it, like it and subscribe the channel by bell icon. Good luck. Take a very good care of you. Goodbye.